Today for lunch or dinner, I'm gonna make a whole fried chicken in my Masterbuilt Butterball electric turkey fryer. It's a professional series. And this is indoor too. We have already fried turkeys and stuff inside, but I like it outside today. So this is an 8-pound chicken, and we're gonna go 4 minutes a pound approximately, but we'll check the temperature towards the end. And I'm gonna season it with Borsari Original Blend. Fresh herbs and spices infused into sea salt. Did you ever hear of that brand? This smells delicious. And the chicken is nice and dry because you don't want to put water in there. I don't know how much of this seasoning will stick, if any. Open that lid. Oh, it smells so good. Not too much, not too much, not too much. I'll wash my hands. Oh. Yeah, this will probably just come off in the frying. Maybe some of it. But the oil will smell good like that too. The oil smells good, just hot, you know? I love it. It smells like an amusement park or something. Oh, that's heavy. It's probably gonna just fall off, but it's the thought that counts. Man, it's gonna be good. So 4 minutes a pound, about 32 minutes. I might have said that already, did I? Get your cool basket. Temperature's all the way up to 375 maximum. Took a while for the oil to heat up, but it's ready. We've already boiled food in there too. That's good for that. Like a low country boil or something. Look at this. All right, now. See? Comes with this hook. And be careful. Lower it down slowly. Make sure it's nice and dry. See it before? Wait to see it in half an hour. Oh. All right, come over here. Get a shot down there. This is the fun part. Slowly. Oh, music to my ears. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Whoa, beautiful. I love it. Whoa, see that? You could do that in your kitchen. This has a timer on it too. I set it to 30 minutes I'll set it to. But I'll be out here off and on enjoying the aroma. 31, that's all right, 32. It'll beep when it goes off, but we'll be here to monitor it. I'm not gonna sit right here the whole time, but let me clean up my mess and go get my plates ready. We're gonna have fried chicken for lunch. Wow! And some Kool-Aid, oh yeah. Right back. It's halfway through, according to the timer. We're gonna take a peek at it and take its temperature. Ooh, we need a pot holder, I think. It's gonna be hot in there.
Hold this.
Thank you. Not as hot today as it was. Oh, it's delicious and it smells delicious. Here you go, wait a minute. Use this hook. Oh, not done yet. I can tell because I want it crunchier. Let it sit there. So we're going to take temperature. You're curious? We want 165. Oh, crunchy. 165. 140. Okay. Back in. Back in the bowl. Everybody back in the bowl. And always be careful, but doesn't it look delicious? Doesn't it? Oh. One whole fried chicken, please. Next time it's going to be twice as brown and crunchy. If not, we're going to make it that way. Can't wait. The timer went off. It beeped. So that's, what was it, 32 minutes? Yeah, let's see if it's darker now. Remember what it looked like 10 seconds ago? Watch. Please be done. Oh, it's not too bad yet. Look. Well, I'm going to take the temperature again. I mean, not too bad as in, not too dark, but I don't mind it as dark as I can get. But it's beautiful, isn't it? Wow, 165. Oh, 164, come on! What? Oh, it's ready. We're going 5 more minutes, right? Oh, 171. Yeah, we're going to go in 5 more minutes because I don't mind it a little crunchier either. How about you?
make all the deep parts done.
Isn't it beautiful though? Couldn't
Yeah,
you just
great.
eat that? Let that cool and just carry that around and chew on it. Pick at it for a while. 5 minutes. I'll let it go another 10 minutes to be honest with you. Why not, right? Oh, it still looks beautiful. Look at it. It's like a party favor. Man. Hang them off from the ceiling when you have a picnic, you know? Everybody come around, take bites out of them. Gotta be good, gotta be good. Oh, 181. Oh. I love it. I love it. Everybody like
there
it?
by the leg joint.
That leg joint? That's a wing. There? 180. We love it. Okay, turn off the power here. Unplug it. This is a real nice turkey fryer. Should I have... I'm going to put it on this plate. I'm going to pick it up like this to get some of the grease out of the inside of it. Oh, look at it. Listen. She don't like that sound, dude. I love that sound. ASMR. Oh, yes. Watch a Hulk fly by and grab it. I think I might let this cool for a few minutes. Can't tell if the seasoning's there or not, but it's in the oil, that's for sure. So it got in it, that flavor. Thanks again, Masterbuilt. Beautiful. Lovely. Have a seat, because it's time to eat. Do you like it as much as I do? Do you? Oh, I'll take a bite. It's so hot. Kool-Aid. Oh, yeah. This has been cooling for a few minutes. I don't have any legs. Do you know that? Hope I don't mess it up too bad. Listen. Just love that. Just love it. Find that joint down there. Pull it. Whoa. How hot can it be?
That's a nice light
Yeah, I
there.
just want to tear into it, but it's hot. Put it on a plate here. Look. Oh. Since you don't like skin, I can have this. Or do you like skin?
No, I don't like skin.
Do you? You do. Like this. Oh, that's so good. I taste that seasoning in there. Oh. Oh. That's finger food. We got wings, look at that. Oh boy. You want some, right?
Yeah, I would like some.
All right, I'm sorry. Well, it's getting to be the perfect temperature for you. I wanted to taste this and to show them. Whoa.
Sounds good.
Whoa.
Just like you love it.
I love it so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun.
Try making one.
Have a nice week. Bye.